I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to contact the seller after ordering on Amazon. Step 1. Open the Amazon app on an iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap the menu icon in the row of options along the bottom of this screen. Step 2. Navigate to the Your Shortcuts section and then tap Orders. You'll see all of your Amazon orders. Step 3. Find the specific order where you want to contact the seller and then tap that order to see its associated results. Step 4. Swipe down this screen until you get to the Contact the Manufacturer section. This is where you'll see options for how you can get in touch with a specific manufacturer. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.